this is the egusi stew with the fufu and the he said it's pounded yam. That's the fufu and the jollof rice and some plantain we get.
I'm excited that we're eating African food, something I haven't tried. I'm a foodie.
I think that's the jollof.
Oh, that's the jalapia.
Oh, let's
well,
see.
not what I thought we were. I thought we were getting like a gravy.
Yeah, we thought we were getting like a gravy stuff.
Try. This is not what I wanted, but anyway, we're gonna eat it. I wanted the gravy, you know?
Go for it. Let me see. Babies.
You're not supposed to chew it?
They said you should like just
Not
swallow
chew it?
And swallow it. I think Roger see that, but I think you see it. And by the view of it, he's like, nah, I'm not going. I'm not attacking it.
Come eat the plantain, my love.
No, not today.
No, I want to order some okra stuff. It'll be here in an hour. Soup is good. Don't get me wrong. I like a goosey soup.
But you want the okra stew.
But I want the okra. Okay, guys. It has arrived.
Guys, we ordered the okra stew.
Definitely what I was looking for.
Guys, these are the okra stew.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. How do you do this?
Guys, the okra stew is here.